So you finally started that business website, but now you're stuck on choosing a domain name. Do you go clever, keyword rich, or branded? One wrong move can confuse customers or kill your SEO. Today, I'll show you how to pick a domain that's memorable, professional, and helps you get found online. Hey, I'm McDonald with WPEdge Solutions. I help small business owners like you build fast, secure, and stress-free WordPress websites. Today, we're diving into a small but powerful piece of your online presence, your domain name. A bad domain name can make your business hard to find, forgettable, or even look untrustworthy. And once you commit, it's out there. Changing later is a branding headache. But don't worry, I've got 5 solid tips to help you get it right the first time. Tip number 1, keep it short and simple. I know you've heard the phrase, keep it simple, stupid, or KISS. Well, this is true with domains too. Think of names like apple.com or slack.com. They're clean and easy to type. If your domain's too long or complicated, people won't remember it and they might spell it wrong. If you're a local bakery, something like jonesbakery.com works better than bestartisansbreadindallas.com. Wow, that's a mouthful and hard to say. Tip number 2, make it brandable, not generic. You want a name that sticks. Generic names like topplumbingservices123.com are forgettable and sound spammy. Instead, go with something like copperpipeplumbing.com. That's unique and easy to associate with your business. Number 3, avoid hyphens and numbers. These are confusing when you say them out loud. Imagine telling someone, visit my site at best-dog-groomers-.24.com. Yeah, wow, that's even harder to say. That's a mess. Stick with clean, natural names you could easily say on a podcast or radio ad. Tip number 4, use keywords if they make sense. If you can naturally work a keyword into your domain, say for example like NashvilleWebDesign.com, go for it. It can help with search rankings and immediately tell people what you do. Just don't force it or make it sound awkward. Tip number 5, check to see if your domain is available across multiple platforms. Before you buy your domain, check if the name is available on social media too. You want consistency for branding. Tools like namecheck.com can help you see everything in one place. So here's the deal. Your domain is more than just a URL. It's your first impression, your digital real estate. If you put in a little thought now, it'll pay off in people trusting your brand and help you get discovered later. If you found this helpful, head on over to my website at WPEdgesolutions.com. You'll find more WordPress tips, free tools, and expert help to build a site that works for your business. And hey, if you're stuck picking the perfect domain, drop a few suggestions in the comments below and I'll give you my honest feedback. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.